I'm starting to see letters. Hello there, my treats. It's Sponge Cake. I don't know how to act. Oh my god. So today is a very exciting video. I don't even know how to word myself. So today is a very big day. After what, like 3 years, I think? After a very long time of wanting this, I can finally say that I've bought myself a D.I.A belt. Also, for the longest of time, I kept switching between saying D.I.A and D.I.A, and I couldn't tell. But it wasn't until I went to actually start shopping for it and I saw the katakana for like D.I.A that I realized, oh, it's not D.I.A, it's D.I.A. And I think it's for diamond. So I'm late to that. The whole time I was saying it in the Spanish way. It's so silly. But whatever, I'm not gonna police you guys on if you guys want to say D.I.A or not. I don't know. I don't, whatever. I really, really hope it looks like the way it did in the pictures. Like, it was low-key lower in cost than you usually see it go for nowadays, which is really unfortunately high because of scalpers. So when I saw that, I was just kind of like, I really hope that this is legit. I talked myself into getting it. Like, I really like pep talked myself into getting this because I was just like, I know that I'm not really usually someone to buy like big brand things, but this felt like something that was really important to me. And also I started grad school recently, so I kind of deserve it or whatever. Also, compared to like all like the normie like type of like luxury things that are out there that people buy all the time and nobody bats an eye, like I feel like I'm entitled to get something luxury now and then, even if it's like super niche. Like, it's still valid. But anyways, on to the box. This honestly arrived like super quickly. Like, I ordered this in September, I'm pretty sure, and it arrived in November. And honestly, I'm kind of like now that I think about it, like, yeah, it's been like kind of 2 months, but like I ordered it at the end of September, so it was more like a month. And it was also more because it was taking time for the seller to ship it to D.I.A and then for D.I.A to get it to me. And then by the time it got to D.I.A, like after like a week, it got to me. So that was honestly really, really fast. This was also like my first time buying from Mercari Japan through D.I.A. For the longest of time, for somebody who's been in the J fashion scene for as long as I have been so overwhelmed with even the thought of like trying to shop online from overseas, from Japan. I would watch all these YouTube videos, like all these tutorials, and I would like go to the website like over and over again, and then I would like chicken out because I'd get so overwhelmed. I don't know why, like there's just something, I think I get worried about like so many random things going wrong, and like I also get especially worried about being scammed and not realizing that it's a scam because it's something so like foreign to me. So when I first went to start like looking on Mercari Japan, I actually went to mercari.jp, and then I tried to make an account, and then Mercari Japan was like, you can't make an account with us, you don't live in Japan. And I was like, what do you mean? Everybody I know is buying from Mercari Japan. And then I realized after that I have to make an account with D.I.A, which then lets me shop from Mercari Japan. So basically they have like a location in Japan, the seller sends it to them, and then D.I.A sends it to whoever it is overseas, like me. Which is so obvious to say now after I actually like did it and went through the process. Leading up to that, it was so not obvious to me, and I like stumbled through it, and like even like choosing what shipping service to use, I was very like not sure. I had to go on Reddit. Reddit was saying to do D.I.A Air, it's by far the fastest, and they were right. It came in a week. I really needed this win this week because this week has been insane. It's been E-Day here in the US. I'm not gonna say the full word because I don't know how YouTube acts around that stuff, but it's been heavy. It's been a heavy week, so I really needed this. It actually arrived like on E-Day, so there's a lot of roller coasters where like I woke up being like, yippee, D.I.A, gyaru, and then I go on social media and I'm like, oh, So it's been kind of crazy. So this is kind of like my pick-me-up right now. So I thought I'd unbox this D.I.A belt with you guys and then show you guys how I am styling it with a bunch of different outfits as kind of a little celebration. I am so excited, so excited. Let's get to it. Oh my god, it's happening. Okay. I've got my scissors. Actually, I might not. No, I do need scissors actually. Like some tape. This box is kind of cute though. I'm so nervous. It's like clinking around in there. I'm like sweating. All right, it's coming. I can't believe I caved to get this. Oh my gosh. I was like, for a while, I was like, I'm not gonna get this. I am not paying like hundreds of dollars for a belt. Bye. But like, so many of my outfits are like, they could be so much better with the D.I.A belt. Oh, it's tiny. It's pretty tiny. But also like, how big was I expecting it? Oh, but it's heavy. It's tiny but heavy. I'm nervous. Oh my god. Yeah, it's like, it's got some weight to it, which is a good sign, I think. I'm starting to see letters. Sorry guys. Oh my god, it's legit. I should stop chatting. I gotta finish opening this before I say too much. Why does it look kind of brand new? Oh, it's over. It's over for y'all. Y'all niggas ain't ready. Oh, I'm starting to say that already. The internet isn't ready. Oh, I didn't realize it says D.I.A on both sides. Oh my gosh. You guys. You know what? At this point, I don't even care if it's fake. I don't think it's fake. But like, even if it was, it feels so legit that I'm like, yo. Oh my god, it's beautiful. How do I like hold this up for you guys to see it? Maybe I'll do close-ups. I'll do close-ups. Check it out. So I really wanted the like star buckle. Like D.I.A has like a lot of different like buckles types. Like they have like the horseshoe, etc., etc. I really wanted the star. Like I was very fixated on having the star. So here we are. Is it focusing? I think so. And then it has the little iconic... Stop focusing on me! Focus on the belt! It has this like iconic disco ball thing. Like all of like the charms are like intact, bro. What the fuck? Check it out. It has like the chain and then the D.I.A and then this braided area, and then the D.I.A again, and then this amazing curve. This is the curve, you guys, that you need. So here's the thing, when I initially started out with like, you know, messing around with gyaru, whatever, I didn't really have any like solid plan to get a D.I.A belt, and seeing how insane the prices are, because like, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I'm not, like if I can find a really good dupe in order to save money, I will. And I just felt like I just haven't felt like I could find a good dupe that would really like satisfy what I need. So I was like, I'm gonna just get it, y'all. And I'm glad I did, because I'm starting to see like the way that it curves, the shape, everything, it really like impacts the silhouette. Like I'm learning how much silhouette is everything in fashion, and a dia belt like this really makes a huge difference with the silhouette, for better or for worse. So I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna be looking good. Oh, I'm so ready to style these. All right, I'm gonna just, okay. Probably gonna admire these off camera for like 10 minutes. Like just in silence, in dead silence, just looking at each thing. I'm surprised by how many gems. I think it has all of its gems intact, which is crazy. Christmas came early, you guys. Christmas came early. We're gonna be okay, y'all. Anyways, time to style her. Yeah! So for my first outfit, I am taking inspiration from this photo of Jessica Simpson that I've been seeing on Pinterest, where she's just like out walking her dog. And I feel like it is such a California autumn vibe. Yes, I realize it's January now that I'm editing this. I honestly love taking inspiration from celebrities, which I noticed a lot of gals do, and then also adding my own personal gal spin to it. I have a brown belt like this actually, but I feel like with this gray hoodie, the dia belt actually is that like needed oomph that this outfit needed. I don't think it would have hit the same way without it. So yeah, it's giving casual rich. For my next look, I am taking inspiration from a couple of codes that have been living on my mind rent-free for like the past 2 years. It's so casual and comfy, yet it still serves at the same time. This is an example, I feel like, where silhouette really matters deceptively. Like it looks so deceptively simple, but it really matters. And the dia belt is what makes this outfit. Without it, I just don't think it would work the same. Like you can definitely wear like a different chunky belt, but it would be really like important to like find the right shape, and dia belt does that for this look for me. Also, shout out to Hello Angel Girl for gifting me this crown chain along with my gal necklace order. It works so perfectly with my Juicy Couture bag. I was actually looking for a chain for it, so it really feels like they just like knew I was needing one. It fits so perfectly. For my third code, I am going for more of a boho gyaru vibe, which I don't really see very often. I honestly find myself gravitating towards this style a lot, especially in the summer, which at first I felt kind of nervous about, but now I'm kind of owning it. I think we need to see more soft gal examples that isn't just hime. I love hime too, don't get me wrong, but there's just so much more than that when it comes to gal. I actually have been eyeing brown belts to go with this type of look, but I realized that I actually really like this dia belt with it too, so just goes to show how versatile it is. For the fourth outfit, I am experimenting with wearing the belt slightly higher than usual to match the flare of my Vina of the Valley dress. And I ended up really liking it. I always feel like this dress could use a little bit of like something extra, but I couldn't decide what. And I feel like the belt really does that for me. Like I really love that. And I also am wearing over the knee boots, which I don't normally wear. And taking inspiration from One, I felt so confident in these. Like I feel like I should dress like this more often. And lastly, I wore this belt to go apple picking, and I got so many compliments for this clearly way overdressed outfit, and I really felt just so confident in my skin. I know brand isn't everything, and not everyone can afford such a huge splurge, which is completely valid, and that has been my case for quite a while. This was definitely a huge splurge for me, and you know, that said, it's hard to deny the validation that comes with wearing such an iconic piece of the subculture and knowing that, like, yeah, this is mine. I own it. I feel like that was a really great feeling. And yeah, that's the end of my video. Love you guys, and till next time. Bye bye.